Hi, I'm Daniel, a product specialist at Streamstar, and today I will guide you through Streamstar's outstanding replay system. This powerful, multi-channel replay system is one of the features that makes Streamstar stand out from the rest of the pack. Plus, it's a standard feature across the complete Streamstar product line. Traditional replay systems are standalone and require an operator to run them. But with Streamstar's innovative user interface and by employing a back timing system, we allow simple, easy to learn, one-person workflow. So let's get started.
Creating a replay is simple. Just click on either the short, medium, or long button. This will instantly create a replay event that is back timed from the moment you hit the button. You can immediately fire the replay look to on air by clicking on one of the camera looks in the replay event. The system will automatically fire into the replay, provide you a countdown, as well as indicate which camera the system will come back to, and automatically fire back out to your live camera. You can also load in your own custom replay animation wipe or use one of the preloaded generic wipes. You can select your wipe and adjust other replay features by clicking on the gear icon and then clicking replay. From here, you can adjust the length of back timing for the short, medium, and long buttons, adjust the speed settings for the replays, as well as the speed for the shortcut keys for slow and fast. Under the Replay Camera tab, use the large switches to select the cameras you wish to use for the replays. Under the Replay Settings tab, you can specify how the replay system will function and how it will affect other functionality of the Streamstar system. In the first Replay Behavior section, the first Replay Active button turns the replay functionality on or off. Next is the on-off switch for automatic previews in SRP and DRCS mode. If the switch is on, switching a replay in the sequential or dynamic mode will automatically open the replay's preview, so you can view and choose the replay looks to go on air. If the switch is off, the replay previews won't open and the display remains in the replays list. Using the next three switches, you can tell the system if you want to disable any layers when going into a replay for a clean graphics look. Under the Lead In-Out Wipes tab, you can turn on the replay wipes and load which wipes you wish to use. You can set the system to sequence so that there's a dedicated in and dedicated out wipe. Or you can set it to shuffle and all wipes selected will be used randomly. There is also a usage chart so you can track the usage of the wipes during a production for any sponsored wipes. After creating a replay event, you have a number of options to select. You can preview the event by clicking the eye icon, which will reveal the preview pane and show previews on a loop. From here, you can select your best angle and fire it directly from this window by clicking on the look. In the preview mode, you can add any looks to the favorite spin by clicking on the star icon. That event and look will now show up in the favorite spin. You can also add replay looks to a playlist by clicking the Add to Playlist button and creating or selecting which playlist to add your look to. You can also name the replay event by clicking on the pencil icon and typing in a name. There are two very powerful modes for playing back replays besides the normal mode. The first is sequential, or SRP mode, meaning sequential replay playback. Select which camera looks you want to play and the order you want them to play in. The system will show the full length of your camera looks in the order you selected. The next mode is dynamic, or DRCS mode, meaning dynamic replay camera switching. It allows you to actively switch between different camera angles while replaying the event. With a dynamic replay mode, you're creating a replay meld in real time and in a fraction of the time of other systems. While in a replay event, you have options as well. The first is selecting which camera the system auto-cuts back to. Click on the black bar at the bottom of the camera windows, and the system will use that camera to fire back to. You can also exit a replay early by simply clicking on what camera you want to come back to, and the system will immediately fire back out to that camera. While in a replay, you can use the shortcut keys on the keyboard to slow down, speed up, or even freeze the replay.
As you can see, Streamstar's replay system is unlike anything else on the market today. It even rivals standalone replay systems in terms of ease of use and innovative features. With Streamstar, you can deliver broadcast quality replays right to your viewers. Check out our other videos and learn more about Streamstar by visiting our website at streamstar.com. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.